Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the bat is at room temperature, 18 to 25 degrees, because adhesives behave predictably then. Once done, work in shade and lay the bat on a soft cloth to protect the surface. Use your fingernail or the edge of dental floss to lift one corner slowly, making a small tab. This reduces risk of sudden tear. Make sure to pull at a low angle, steady and even. This minimizes adhesive residue and preserves the lacquer beneath. You continue by peeling at a consistent 30 to 45 degree angle, because that reduces stress on the lacquer and avoids lifting wood fibers. Once a larger flap exists, support the underlying bat with your other hand and maintain steady tension. Quick jerks cause tears. If the film resists near seams, slide dental floss behind it and use a gentle sawing motion to separate adhesive. Make sure to stop and assess if you see any finish lifting before proceeding further. You finish by removing remaining adhesive with a soft cloth dampened in 70% isopropyl or a dedicated adhesive remover, testing a hidden spot first because solvents can affect finish. Once clean, buff lightly with a microfiber cloth and let the bat air dry fully before use or storing. If at any point the lacquer softens, stop immediately, dry the surface and avoid further solvent. Then consult a professional repair or bat maker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.